Hello and welcome to Code with Petty Pois. Just wanted to let you know that I have been working on a full stack application connecting Steam Capsule artists with indie game developers, and it's called CapsuleTalent. I'm running this locally as I'm testing things, but it's actually live. And basically, how it works is artists will sign up and devs will sign up, and artists can upload a Steam Capsule image, add their availability, their rate, any of those things, and the devs who are looking for them will sign up to the platform and take a look at the roster, see what's available, and if they want to, they can connect. And if they request a connection, basically an email gets sent to the artist responds, and the connection is made. It's basically just to streamline finding a Steam Capsule artist. And the reason why this is so important is because in game development, the Steam Capsule is the most important thing that people see when they look at your Steam page. I've seen a lot of Reddit posts on hiring or for hire, and I've decided why not, use that to kind of address this pain point that obviously they're in. Obviously, you get featured on the homepage, which they did, and this is a bit more about why CapsuleTalent is. So it's basically a little portfolio-ish website for the artist side and a time saver for the dev side. So I've kind of, highlighted some of the key features: saving on artist discovery and connecting only with professionals, focus on building your game, not searching forums. And I chose this kind of neo-brutalism style because I feel like it kind of captures the indie aspects of things, and also kind of it keeps things a bit clean and easy to understand. At first, actually, I had everything under a paywall, but after getting some feedback from different developers and people on Reddit, I actually decided to make everything free. That way I can grow the platform for a while before adding any paid items, although I did add an optional paid item badge for the artists. And then so this is the developer features, so you can browse artists for free, you've got free job posts, and this is for supporters only. I haven't actually built that yet, but that's just a feature to get like instant matching. And basically what I've explained about the direct artist contact. And there's no hidden fees, posting is free, and anything else is just additional and optional. And the artist, there's no commission. Like I'm not taking anything of what you do with the job that you get. And like I said, the optional verified badge, featured on the homepage and all these things. And privacy first. You're only sharing the contact information with developers and serious developers, because it's the ones that actually want to connect with you. It's not just a free-for-all. And you can set your own prices, etc. And you can see all the job posts. So this is the pricing plan. So for the devs, for the artists, sorry, it's for the devs, it's free. It's free to post and request artist connections. If you want to have a lifetime, if you want to support the platform for a lifetime, then it's $49.99. And For artists, they can upload one capsule, but then up to 3 style tags, mandatory price if they want, and they get limited job visibility. But also, you also get the opportunity to add some more images for almost like a mini portfolio on the website itself. So that's everything on the home page, plus the person's feature. This currently is the stats. So I've got like 12 artists who have their profiles. I have 25 in the database, but they haven't completed their profiles. And these are all the different styles that are currently on the platform. So if I show you, this is just running locally, so I can see everything. Some of the artists on the platform that have completed their profiles, and you can filter by different tags. As you can see, the verified artist obviously on top. Again, the one that I created, for example, this is me. This was just to test the backend. So this is all about me, and all the different things here. So you've got like the time zone, last active, preferred contact, your rate, and basically when you connect with the developer, this obviously turns into your real name. This feature is unlocked here, and you also get to connect with the preferred contact actually shows there as well. So that's how it works. And here I am. So there you go. So this is the dashboard for the artists. So you've also always got the option to get verified if you're not verified. It links all the different connection requests, job matching. Only if you're verified you get job matching. Any jobs that come in, they will be presented here. And this is all the different here. I've got name and bio and all of these things. And at the bottom here, I've just added a place to help improve the platform. This is the feedback comment section. So if I sign out and I create another account, and I'm going to sign in, and I'm going to say France. I'm going to say I'm going to save profile. Got the developer dashboard here. So you can browse artist connections, my job. So you can post a job here. If you post a job, you have to have the Steam ID. And sorry, I'm just going back. And you can get information on how many people are interested in the jobs that you've posted. You can only really post one job at a time, just to kind of eliminate the abuse of the back end. And if you become a supporter, that's the lifetime supporter badge, and that's it. And there's also a location to donate to the platform to keep it free, to keep posting free. and that is my project. And I've got to show you a little bit of the backend. So the feedback, it's a Appwrite table. It takes the user ID, the role, and the message. I can show you as well connections. So when there's a connection made, you get the artist ID, the status, title of the job that has been that they want to connect with, the styles and budget. So that's all I can show you. Oh, jobs. There's nothing in jobs. I don't want to show you any personal emails and stuff. So got the title, deadline, interested artists. So there's like an array of anyone who connects and says they're interested in the job. So yeah, that's the platform. So when a job is posted, you have a little opportunity on the artist side to say you're interested, and if you click that on the dev side, they will see who's interested. You can look at their profile and go, okay, yeah, I'm interested in connecting with them. Connect. So that's kind of how it works. So it's actually live. CapsuleTalent.ludumlondon.com, and I'm actually happy that there's quite a few artists already on the platform. Quite a few in the database, but not completed their profile, only 12. And yet to get many devs on the platform, so hopefully that will work. But I used Astro, Appwrite, Vue, Stripe for all of this to make a full stack application for the using this for Astro for CapsuleTalent. Sorry. So yeah, that's the platform. I just wanted to show you what I've been working on, and within a week or two, I was able to get 25 on the wish list. Only, like I said, only 12 have actually completed their profiles, and hopefully more will do so in the future. So that's what I've been working on. If you would like, or are interested in actually knowing how to launch a Micro SaaS product using Astro, I will be making a paid workshop. If you're interested, let me know in the comments. Okay, thank you.